What's up, everybody? So I thought I'd make a video. It's been 24 hours of owning this brand new 2024 Grand Highlander. This is the newest model, the Grand Highlander. This is the debut right here, baby. So it's got that RAV4 front end, as you can see. Pretty sharp. Looks like a little spaceship for sure. 18-inch wheels. This is the limited edition too. So you get all your nice knickknacks where the mirrors like fold in. Obviously the blind spot too. So this is black, which is tough because, you know, washing it, the swirls, if you take it through the car wash later on. Check it out. Let's see. Oh, big space. I know I showed this before, but it's got a big trunk space. To me it is, because I used to own a Highlander, a 2023 Highlander, and it had a really small trunk space, so that's nice. You got the lock button so you can lock it. As you can see, it's wider in the back. Okay, so it's a little more curve, but definitely wider. And there's like four grown, like when I went to the dealership to pick it up, 4 sales guys. They were huge and they were sitting in here comfortably. So we had the 2023 Sienna, and people who sat in the third row in the van in the Sienna were really tight. Like their knees were like all the way up to the next to the second row. It kind of sucked. I mean, this part right here compared to the Sienna is about the same. It's a little similar, minus the console. Obviously, like the Sienna didn't have like a center console right there. It's got a lot of USBs and like charging ports, power ports. Obviously you get that too. The screen over there. Got the windows tinted, by the way. This is the interior. Very like, I don't know, minimalist. I like that wood grain, a little fake wood grain, right? Leather. Got the memory seats right here. Heated steering wheel. Obviously like the digital. Oh, so miles per gallon. I was hoping to get like 26, 27. Dude, I'm only getting like, right now it says like 18.2 because I had it in sport mode. And let me tell you, the turbo on this bad boy, it could definitely get up. But on the highway, and if you drive like decent, like a normal human being, you're probably gonna get like 21, 22. But I read in the comments, I gotta break it in. So it's only got 200 miles on it. It's got the built-in Apple Play, Android Play, but it's got also like the Toyota navigation system, which is really nice. I had that on my Tundra. And you get the typical Highlander buttons over here, the Eco, Sport, Rock and Dirt, Mud and Sand. The auto on or off. The hold's pretty sweet, especially at stoplights. Oh, and they put the power start button here. Usually it's up here, right? And it doesn't come with the sunroof, but whatever. It comes with the garage opener right there, built in. So what else? Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It looks like a little cockpit, man. I'm telling you. Oh, that lights up. That's pretty sweet. But yeah, I hope you like it. I think it's a 2.4 engine, turbo. It's a 4-cylinder. Opposed to the Highlanders, you know, the previous Highlanders where there were 6 cylinders and they were definitely a gas guzzler. I think the 2023 Highlander that I had before this, the gas miles per gallon were like close to like 15, 16. So right now I'm getting like 18.1, but I'm a little speeder, sorry. Oh, it's got the JBL speakers right there all around, so the music definitely does bump. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I hope to make more videos and just follow my journey, my Grand Highlander journey. All right, have a good one.